What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I needed a little therapy between Ford takeover, Foxcast Media, and horsepower sweepstakes. My brain fog takes over, so this video is going to kind of start out. My OG guys, you're going to love this. If you want a little backstory on me, want to see a little bit of history, you're going to love this. If you're just here for the smoke show, fast forward a little bit because it's epic. But let's go. Here's the thing, guys. I'm not a bandwagon guy. I've lived and breathed these for a long time. I'm going to give you just a little history. I pulled some of my old pictures out. Guys, this is my 1987 Thunderbird. It was a V8 sport car. I converted this car to manual. Did an 8.8 in it, and then put a 88 HO engine in it. And that was my first car where I really learned how to do things, like started figuring things out, and had drag lights on it. Yeah, I love it. I learned a lot on that car. That car basically got my feet wet, and I started figuring out how these cars work. This was back in probably 97, right around there. This is my 89 GT. I had this picture is probably around 2000 or so, and learned a lot on that. That was when I first actually got to do my first heads cam intake build. Right there, there's the old engine. It was tired, but another picture of my GT. These are either 99 or 2000, but didn't have a pot to piss in. This was over at my buddy Steve Moberly's house. He actually let me use his garage and helped me do the engine swap, because I had nothing. I lived in an apartment. There's Steve right there. He's the owner of Scram Speed, if you want to know how I know Steve so well and why I believe in his products. But yeah, there's the engine going in. My first daughter with my 89 GT. That was the stock motor there. So yeah, that's under hood of my my Thunderbird. That was shortly after the swap. Did the Motorsport AC delete. Then I had a couple pictures I found from World Ford Challenge. This was either 99 or 2000, but that's Burnout Alley in Collinsville, Illinois. I'm telling you, my OG guys will remember that. Interior of my 89. Yes, I did it too, but I mounted my Monster Tack somewhere else. But more pictures from World Ford Challenge. That's the Anderson Ford Motorsport, if that tells you how long they've been around. And there's my long block there. It was out of Steve's race car. That car ran great. I called it Twisted. But something else I found, just kind of reminiscing. VHS tape, boys. World Ford Challenge 3. MV Performance, modern Mustang. And I found another thing, guys. I don't know if you can tell how old this is, but I never finished these. These were actually from 96, 97. I started them, went back to them, but I was trying to make this car in a model. You can see about how far I got. I had the blue right. I know my OG guys will love that. But yeah, that was supposed to be my 89. And then of course I built this 93 Cobra, and it was done. And see, I got the quad shocks in it. Of course, had to put headlight covers. Even did the strip on the windshield. Freaking nuts. Yeah, I still got that body. And of course, I never even started these really. I'm not really into the older stuff. Sorry, guys. But, my old model set. One of these days, maybe I'll get back into them. But yeah, I just needed some therapy. Wanted to go back a little bit to my roots. Show you guys just a little taste of where I come from. All right, with that being said, since it's the only Fox body I've got that's here at the moment. Let's get Pop's car out, burn up the road. Let's go. Alright boys, so here is the situation. I ain't gonna lie, this is my therapy. One thing I want to tell you guys about this picture. This is where my car was parked because there was a parking lot behind our apartment building, but most of the time it was full. You couldn't get in it. I did my first wire tuck right there on the street. Installed Maximum Motorsport lower control arms right there on the street. Did quite a few things. Had nothing for tools and nowhere to park, no garage. So I just did it there. A lot of memories there. Alright boys, I know this video kind of went long, so I'm going to wrap it up. But wanted to not only give myself a little therapy, but go down a little memory lane, give you a little history on me. I ain't new to this. I've been living this basically as a lifestyle for longer than I can remember. And that's why I started all this. So if you wanted to know, now you know. The story goes a lot deeper than that. You know, there's a whole lot to it. You know, but you see some of the most ridiculous comments on Facebook, YouTube, all that, and you're just like, man, you don't know a fucking thing about me. You don't know anything about where I've been, what I've done, and it's very easy to be misunderstood on the internet, and sometimes I feel like I am, and that's all right. I don't care. Ain't no quit here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.